Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Listen, today I have for you, this is a Zetor, some people call them a Zetor, Zetor 4340. This is like a 59, 60 horsepower farm tractor with a cab. It is four-wheel drive. It has high-low range. It has a shuttle shift in it. Guys, this tractor is just the way it was traded in. We did not service it. We didn't go through it, nor am I going to. This is an affordable old tractor for somebody. If you want a four-wheel drive tractor for plowing snow, doing some brush hog work, it needs some tinkering. For what I'm asking for the tractor, you can't buy the loader. It has a like new Allied loader on it, a 595. Does have what I call an allo style mount up front, quick attach. It is four-wheel drive. It is power steering, category 2 3-point on the back, telescoping arms. It's just an old tractor, guys, but it starts, runs, and works good. There's a couple little miscellaneous little oil leaks. Fuel caps missing. They cut a bottle and put over top of it. We're going to show you. This is not something we typically sell, but I feel this is something affordable that will sell very fast. But yet, mechanically, it's all good. It just needs somebody to tinker with it. Some lights will need to be got working. It does have heat. Heater fan isn't running. I don't know if I've done something wrong or it's got a blown fuse or something. It's first come, going to be first serve on it. It is what it is. We've had people here lately, we've held stuff for them, and 2 weeks later, they never show up to pay for something. So it's here, it's for sale. So come on here to the back. We're going to start you around this. So again, Cat 2 3-point hitch. Again, it does have a set of telescoping arms on it. The 3-point stuff all works. Auxiliary hydraulics in the rear. There's actually 2 sets and then one up, just one up, and it'll be gravity down. 540 PTO. PTO does work. Actually has a PTO brake, which was pretty cool. Top links with it. It does have a handle up in here that actually goes up. So if you want to adjust that arm from the cab, you can. Kind of neat. These are a pretty heavy built tractor. I was pretty surprised. They built this from like 91 to 97. According to the serial number, it is a 97. Was sold new at the Zetor dealer that we had, new in Somerset, Pennsylvania. It's where it come out of. But you can see bucket up front's in very nice shape. Again, it is a 595 Allied loader. Very nice loader. Zinc plating still on the lines, all but one. But it is very, very, very nice loader. Up front, has a 12.2 by 24, and in the rear, they're 16.9, 28 is what's in the rear. So rubber's actually pretty decent on it. All the glasses in the cab, the front windshield's got a crack in it. Old boy used it at his place. He plowed his driveway out and decided to go a different direction with what he was doing with life, I guess. So you can see the interior of the cab actually is in pretty nice shape. We didn't clean anything, do anything. This is exactly how it was traded. 1,447 hours, and then if you see your decimal points there, and then 70 tenths. The pretty cool thing with the Zetor, when you pull your key out, that actually shuts your dash off. When you push the key in, first click, you see it powers everything, and when you pull up, it shuts everything off. Pretty neat. But pretty cool tractor. Some auxiliary switches here, horn, lights, Allied loader control, brake, foot throttle. Down here is a shift pattern, 4-wheel drive in and out. It's got 5-speed forward, 2-speed reverse, and then you're going to have basically right here, this is your high and low. Over here is your pump that runs the actual loader, and then you can run 540 in pump or just 540. You have a shifter right here, which is your forward reverser. Then you're going to have right here your 4-wheel drive in and out. Park brake. It actually has a PTO brake that will actually stop your PTO, which is pretty neat. Sheet metal is actually pretty decent. Toolbox, CB. Up there's that. You see the headliner's bad. Guys, again, it's a cheap old tractor, 4-wheel drive tractor. You're not going to be able to buy much of a tractor for what we're asking for this. But we're going to fire it up here and show everything works. Here we go. Has a lot of loader lift. See, it'll lift itself up. I'm gonna go ahead here, and have the throttle. This has manual throttle. So we're gonna back up here. Full drive in. Full drive actually out. There you go. Like I said, full drive does work. So now what I'm going to do, guys, we're going to go in here to low range. First, second, fourth, fifth. Brakes work. We'll shift through them in reverse. 1, 2, 4, 5. Now, what I'm going to do, we're going to go ahead here to go back into high range. High 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One reverse, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like I said, it has brakes. Three-point works. 540 PTO. Guys, there it is. It's a cheap old big tractor, park brake works. We do have available for it. The gentleman did have a Meyer snowplow set up that actually went on the quick attach of the loader. We removed that today. I do have the switches and whatnot, and electrical end of it we removed. It is for sale separately. Listen, again, it's an old tractor. It starts, it runs, it works. It's nothing fancy. I've told you what I know, and I'm very truthful with that. I'm an honest guy. You know, it's so crazy in the world we live in today. Well, we literally will list this and have a gazillion messages because it's a four-wheel drive, 60-horse loader tractor, has a cab for, I'm not even going to say how much because it ain't even worth it. But anyhow, you know, it don't matter if you're selling something that's $50 or $50,000 today. Everybody doubts you of what you're selling. It's just the world we live in today. But there's not many guys out there in the industry today that take the time that we do here. And I'm not bragging about myself. I get a lot of compliments on our videos that we do because it shows the true real world of something, of what it is. There's not many people. I had to laugh like last night, some dude's posting TikTok videos of skid steers he's selling. He goes, hey, my name's so-and-so, and this is a cat skid steer I got for sale. He gets in it, he runs the boom up and down, turns it around in a circle, shuts it off. Boy, it's a good one. What did you get from that? I don't know. Where are we at, Braden? We 10 minutes into this video? 12 minutes. So we've taken 12 minutes, which in real life, it's really 40 minutes of my time till we make the video, till we go back over, upload the video, post it, do all the other crap that comes along with that. You know, we're not doing this just because we want to do it. We're doing it because we feel it's the right way to sell something. So tractor's going to be sold just the way we state that it is. It is what it is. It's nothing fancy. It will be what you said. Don't come here looking for a new four-wheel drive tractor with a loader on it for what we're asking for this because, you know, it's here. A new one's here. Just understand that. It's sold as is, just the way we state. You can come here, run it around, play with it. I have nothing to hide. There it is. Any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark's Supply Company. Have a great day.